Hello, this is Dr. Lundin from the Stockbridge-Munsee Health and Wellness Center. Thanks for listening. I'm making a public service video to update the community about coronavirus. Shawano County has seen a spike in COVID-19. In our clinic alone, we've had 11 new cases in the past week. So that's why we're making this video. We want to briefly review what are the symptoms of COVID-19. They are fever or chills, cough, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, fatigue, muscle or body aches, headache, new loss of taste or smell, sore throat, congestion or runny nose, nausea or vomiting, and diarrhea. So you can have a cold and you think it's a cold, but it's actually COVID-19. So in that case, it would probably be worthwhile for you to get tested. So please get tested. Please notify your employer or the clinic if you have symptoms of COVID-19 or if you've had close contact with someone who has had COVID-19. The phone number for the clinic is 715-793-5087. Again, that's 715-793-5087. Very important, please stay home if you are sick. What things can you do to avoid COVID-19? Wash your hands frequently for 20 seconds with soap. Sanitize hands when you cannot wash them, and sometimes if you wash your hands often it can harm the skin, so you can use hand sanitizer instead of that. Wear a mask to cover your nose and mouth. Practice social distancing and avoid large gatherings. The reason to avoid large gatherings is because you may not be able to social distance and because many people in the public do not wear masks. People may not have any symptoms of COVID-19. They may not know if they have COVID-19 and they may still be spreading it. Shawano County Fair is going to be a large gathering where COVID-19 can spread easily. The Stockbridge-Munsee Health and Wellness Center recommends everybody to avoid the fair. Again, we recommend that everybody simply avoid the fair this year. Also, school is starting. So please talk with your children about what they can do to avoid getting COVID-19. And those things are hand hygiene, social distancing, and talk with them about why it's important to wear a mask. The symptoms to look out for would be the things that I mentioned before. To a child, you can explain that just anything that looks like a cold. And again, we just want to emphasize, please stay home if you are sick, if you have any symptoms, or if you have COVID-19. In conclusion, COVID-19 is affecting our community right now, and we all need to do our part to try to keep it from hurting people in our community. Thanks very much for listening.